Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, identify the instrument. So this instrument is putting staples. So this is a skin stapler. It is a skin stapler. It has a cartridge and this cartridge will have staples. Here there will be staples. So this is actually the fastest method of closure of long skin incision. It is the fastest method of closure of long skin incision. So this is about the skin stapler. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.